What's up, YouTube? It is the Black Songstress. Black Songstress 2. It is now 1:15 a.m. in the morning. I've been thinking about a song for so long to sing for you guys. I don't know, I don't know why, but for me it's kind of hard to come up with a song because I don't be wanting to strain. But I finally found a song. Sorry, my dog was annoying. I finally found a song. I'm gonna sing "You Complete Me" by Keyshia Cole, cause I don't know, I like this song. So here it is. I hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, my best friend's birthday was yesterday, so shout out to my best friend Didi. I love you, boo. Mwah. Shout out to Didi. Shout out to all the October birthdays. My cousin's birthday coming up too, so I love you all. You all complete me. Baby side, I know you'll be here because you love me. Yes, you do. I give you all my life and all my love if you promise that you'll be here forever. I'll give you all of me. I'll give you everything if you promise you'll never leave me. What my friends say don't matter. You've been right here from the start, and I'll get on my knees. I'll give you all of me if you never leave my side, because you love me. You complete me. You hold my heart in your hand, and it's okay, 'cause I trust that you'll be the best man that you can. Oh, yes you do. Yeah. And no matter what they ever say about you, I'm gonna stay by your side. Promise me, no matter what they say about me, that you're gonna be here until the end of time. 'Cause you held me down when nobody was around and gave me all the love I needed. So give me more, don't you ever leave, 'cause you complete me. I know you love me. You hold my heart in your hand, and it's okay. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause you give me my love back, baby. Hey, give me all your love, baby, no. Back, baby. It's never enough. You love me. You complete me. You hold my heart in your hand, and it